Hey guys, welcome back to the transformation episode. In this episode today, we're going to be talking all about the power of a trainer. A lot of people are commenting on my success and my results, and yeah, it's me working hard, it's the food, it's the nutrition, but it's also the power of a trainer. Having someone like Jordan with me, working out with me, but also messaging me, encouraging me, changing my nutrition, making sure I'm hitting my routines exactly how I need to be hitting them. Oftentimes when I've worked out, maybe I've been doing the exercises a bit wrong, but he's making sure it's hitting the muscle in a completely perfect way. So today is all about the power of a trainer and why a trainer will help elevate your transformation. So let's get into it and enjoy this episode. Welcome to my 90-day transformation. My name is Scott Bakken. I'm a content creator, father of two, and I want to show you how I'm going to be pushing myself to new limits, both physically and mentally. Join me as I challenge myself with the support of a team of experts who are going to help me with nutrition, my physical exercise, and my mindset, and even recovery. This series just isn't about my transformation. It's about empowering you to reach your own goals. And it's not just about fitness. It's about incorporating this into my already existing passions. And so come along as we incorporate fitness and travel together. Follow along with my channels and hopefully my journey inspires you. If I could do it, you can do it too. Let's go. So we got Jordan Matthews, my trainer. This guy has been the game changer for me. He's not only become a good friend, but he's someone who's inspired me. It's a love-hate relationship. I'm so hungry, but honestly, all my years I've worked out so hard, but I've seen the most results in the last few months, and I'm thankful for Jordan. And so if you're watching this, I want to encourage you. 21 days, guys. 21 days to shred.
Oh yeah.
Have you seen crazy results in 21 days?
Oh yeah. Really? Well, you're at the point where I can get them to be
now
crazy.
He's getting more mean.
Yeah.
You guys, I can't even dip. The other day I was eating something, he judged me with his eyes.
But this is more of a this is more of an intense level though.
Yeah, the judgment is good. Because
Yeah.
you know what? We need the judgment. We need to keep on our toes.
You gotta be called on your shit.
Yeah, it's it.
Everyone needs to be called on their shit. That's
They need to be called out. Look into Jordan, his online services, but ultimately he's a great guy. He cares about helping people reach their goals. Anyway, you ready to work me out today?
Let's do it.
What are we doing today?
Back, biceps, and a little bit of abs.
Back biceps and the abs because we have the reveal coming.
Yep.
So let's go.
With the pull-up, it's important to go full range of motion. So get out, come down, get a full stretch, and then back up. Yeah, so don't rest too far. Come all the way down, stretch, back up. Good. Just so you get full engagement in the lats. You're getting a full stretch. You don't want to shorten the movement right there. Keeping time under tension is key. So right here, and then back up. Don't rest too long. We'll go one more. Back up, back up. And that's good for a warm-up. Yeah.
So the range of motion is important.
The range of motion.
Before when I've done pull-ups, I wasn't going all the way at the bottom.
Yeah.
That's where the growth is.
The power needs to come from that bottom face, right? Everyone's a little stronger at like the mid-level, well, like 75% mark, and then the mid-level. Everyone has more strength technically there, but you want to have it right from that pull point too. Right. So you're engaging your full lats, and you're not just getting a ton in your biceps.
Right.
Because the biceps will take over and help you get up, right?
Right.
So if you can keep it in the lats, you'll get full development all the way down, and that's what gives you a nice V-tapered look.
The Dorito.
Yeah, the Dorito back. The Dorito back.
The Dorito back.
Full range. Stretch. Good. Stretch. Good. Full stretch. Up. Just at full range until they can build up that full range of motion, essentially with full strength, and then you just slowly wean back the weight and then get up there.
What's the hardest back exercise there is?
Pull-ups.
Pull-ups.
Well, in terms of everybody, it's full body weight. Like a lot of people actually suck at pull-ups, to be honest.
Right.
Other than that, like deadlifts, big bent over rows, things like that, they're hard.
Sure, they're hard.
But I mean, you can start very light and progress. But pull-ups is body weight right off the jump, right? So that'd be the harder one.
That's not easy.
No, but it's functional. You want to be able to pull your body weight.
Yeah.
Like everyone should be able to do 10 push-ups, 10 pull-ups, in my opinion. You should be able to do that. It's functional as fuck.
Okay, so now.
Right now, let's go again.
So again, without?
10. Yeah, no
The
band.
band is so good though.
No.
Oh, I still need the band.
Let's go. No, I'll spot you.
I need the band, bro. No, I could not have done this without Jordan, and I'll tell you why. One, I worked out for years. It's the accountability. Two, it's the extra knowledge about how to push your body in new ways. And so it's all about accountability, pushing your body in new ways, the right technique, and also the food. The food has been probably 80%. Just dialing in that nutrition, knowing when to up it, down it, fill up, refeed, pull back, all those things have been key. I could have not 100% done this transformation without Jordan. No way.
Focus on your elbows driving there, like that. Full stretch. Okay, but when you come up there with control. You're gonna squeeze. Perfect. Yep. Now focus right here. Up. That was good. Good set. Break a minute. We'll go 3 of these as well.
3 of these.
Yep.
But yeah, I know I could not do this without Jordan. Just even that alone, just pushing me, you know? I think when people go to the gym, I mean, it's obviously an outing to go to the gym. People like being social, but I think when people go to the gym, they kind of like take their time, they're on their phones.
Yeah. When you're intentionally working out on that workout, you'll see most people that are like dialed in, 45 minutes to an hour, they're in and out.
So people watching this, moms, dads, people that are busy, they're going, I can't get to the gym. Time frame, how many times a week?
Dude, I would say a minimum, like if you're in the gym strength training, you can get away with a really good minimum 3 days a week. Eventually you'll have to increase that, but if you can start with 3 days a week, that's great.
45 minutes.
It's just intention. Because workout doesn't have to be too. Like when you can start at home, start by going to a jog, start by putting the time into yourself. And then you'll slowly work up into where you need to be.
What is clean bulk versus dirty bulk?
Oh, dirty is just you're eating volume, just a ton of whatever. You can
Pizza,
still
hamburgers,
100%.
fries.
They'll just go into like, I want calories, instead of prioritizing how we're going to do it, with still prioritizing protein, carbs, and fats, and utilizing them the right way. Come up smooth. Perfect. Okay, we're going to do a little drop set. Sit back down. Yep.
What's the point of a drop set?
You're just going to keep the existing going onto the muscle, and you're just going to get better engagement because obviously you're dropping the weight, and you're just going to keep it going. Keep getting the lactic acid going, and you rip up. Yep, right in, squeeze, now come straight. Good. So that's a cut. Perfect. And I keep this over here. Yep, and then straight up. Squeeze, yep, and you're driving those elbows back. Yep.
Look at these veins.
Yep.
Did you see that? I got tired of not looking good.
That's it.
You know, I got tired of like traveling and always thinking, when I get home, when I get home, when I get home. I just got tired of that whole, in my mind, just not being satisfied with who I was or the way I looked. And I'm like, this is changing.
Yep.
I'm finally going to go after it. I know someone who said they wouldn't take their kids to the beach recently because they didn't want to put on their bathing suit.
Yep.
You know, and like, how bad is that? I'm doing it because I'm 47 years old and I want to feel and look to be my best. Like I said, I got tired of feeling the weight around my belly. I got tired of like not being confident to take my shirt off in public. For me, it's about one, achieving a goal. It's about putting my mind to something, and it's about seeing the reward and seeing the result.
When you are lifting and strength training, you are building leaner, better muscle tissue, plain and simple. It makes it easier to get leaner. You can carry a naturally lower body fat percentage naturally the more lean muscle that you have. So you'll never get too big. It's just not a thing.
How many days did this say?
How many was that?
That was, I think, I don't know.
Keep it at that. It's a good drop set. Hold on. We got 1, 2. Good. Good. You bend those elbows a little bit and you can stretch. There. Get that good stretch. Lean over a little bit. Stretch and then pull through. Squeeze. Lean over a bit more though. Good. There you go. It'll never work.
Christina. Jordan's happy. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tell See, Christina knows. She has to live with this guy. I say the things out loud that she doesn't get to say. You know what I'm gonna do on my Instagram? I'm gonna go, everybody go Jordan Matthews 31 and write the word hike. Look, you're hiking. Everyone, I'm just gonna drive the haters to tell them to hike. This lazy.
If 500 people comment on it, hike, I'll go hiking.
Oh, here we go.
All 500 though. Good. Come down slow, and then you keep all that pin back the whole time. Yep. Good. Perfect. Okay. There you go. Yep. So prioritize, like train hard and prioritize your rest and recovery is always going to be the fastest way to get your result. Yep. And then pull. There. And squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Yep. Hold. Good. Flex the biceps. Good. And just hold. No, that's good.
Yes.
I want 12. Yeah, you've gotten better at them. People that give too much of themselves to everybody and they don't leave enough for themselves. Have you found with this journey with me that you've been able to give more to people because you've actually given yourself more?
The whole thing I keep saying this year is I'm putting myself in the driver's seat.
That's it, right there.
I've spent so many years putting other people first and myself last, but this year what I'm doing is putting myself first, and I am still able to give to others.
That's it.
But I'm prioritizing before I feel guilty about being in the gym. I'm here, I'm enjoying it, I'm showing up for me. When you do it, you see the results, but you just got to get uncomfortable.
Yeah,
but it'll be a reward. And if people want easy results, that's not where they're found. They're found in being willing to get uncomfortable, getting disrupted, and just, and then soon it becomes the norm.
That's it.
Right? So I want to encourage people, if you feel like, oh yeah, it's such a stretch, it is a stretch.
Yep.
But you'll get there.
Absolutely. Well, yo, good session, man.
All right, bro.
You did really good.
All right, guys, if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like and subscribe. Keep following my fitness journey. I'm eventually going to get this guy on a hike, but we're going to keep going around traveling, getting fit, being transformed. But so like and subscribe, share the with your friends, and if you got something valuable out of this, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, good job, Jordan.
Yeah, good job, man.
There we go.
You got it.